Hey, I'm Nate Schweller, and this is my 81 Volkswagen Rabbit Pickup. Had it for about 5 years now, but just got it on the road. I found it up in Sacramento. Been sitting under a tree for about 26 years, so it's been off the road now for about 30 years. When I found it, I pulled about 5 gallons of acorns out of the engine bay. I built an air suspension for it. They found some front struts. They make some air struts for the Rabbits, but I had to build and fabricate the rear. And then I took apart the interior and redone the whole interior, took the dash apart, patched that up. This is my 4th Volkswagen pickup. I just drive a lot of Volkswagens, so I have a bit of a passion for them. So trying to save them when I can.